CaramelCrew, it's your girl CNC, sending you positivity. And we're doing a road trip, bitch.
Road trip, period.
Y'all know the vibes. Come on along with me. Let's go. Skirt, skirt. Hey y'all, so right now we got girl Kesha Dallas. Go subscribe. We're about to leave and go to my homegirl so we can meet up and then go to our destination.
Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten.
So it's the next day and we are here. Can't see the Eddie. So we're gonna be going to secret location. But let me show y'all these flowers that match my toe. Look how pretty. And then look at my toe. Look at that. It's so cute. Okay, this is her beach fit. Hold on. Okay, y'all see the vibes. Pink to the toes. Not too much. Drink some water. We only drink water, so you know that's all we gonna take. And juice, green juice. We got Naya say hey. Peace, peace.
I think there's another one down here.
I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your heart. My love and nothing gonna tear us apart. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten.
We have arrived. And look, the sun just came out too. Y'all, if you didn't know, we're at Tybee Island Beach. We got my girl Naya Brown. We got my girl Kesha Dallas. Got your girl CNC sending you positivity.
I better find your heart. I better find your heart.
Know you alive and God's not finished. Know you alive, God's not finished. I made it. We outside. We outside. this one. We need to go back to this one. Y'all, the thing ate us up, y'all. The ocean ate us up. Like, toe up from the floor up. Y'all see? Y'all see? Oh my God. Mermaid vibes.